Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we are going to discuss a new chapter from our Moments book, that is The Last Leaf, written by O. Henley. This whole chapter is regarding two girls, Sue and Johnsy. Before discussing this chapter, I want to share some views with you that these two girls are from the teenage, means they are teenagers. And teenage is such an age in which we feel that whatever the decisions we are taking, they are right. We think the things like in a very positive way or in a very negative way. Sometimes the thoughts came in our mind are so negative that we feel that our life is totally waste. So same in the case of this chapter. So let's start with this chapter. So first of all, I want to introduce with you the characters of the chapter. Here we are having Sue and Johnsy. Both are girls, are from teenage. Berman is really a great artist and old age. And one doctor is there too. So let's start. This is a story of Sue and Johnsy. Both are teenagers and really wonderful artists. They shared a same flat and really good friends. They lived at the third story of that flat. One day, Johnsy fell ill. She suffered from pneumonia, and when she suffered from pneumonia, she had some negative thoughts in her mind. Her bed was near the window, which overlooked a brick wall of the opposite house. A very old ivy creeper or vine. This thing, it is like a vine of grapes. Climbed halfway up the brick wall. It was winter and the leaves were falling. And now what thing stuck in the mind of Johnsy? A strange idea took hold of Johnsy's mind. She began to think that when the last ivy leaf fell, she also died. It is really a very strange idea in the mind of Johnsy. And now her condition was getting worse. When doctor came to check her, doctor feel that medicines are not helpful for Johnsy. Why? Because she thought that she is not going to survive. She left every hope regarding survival. So doctor suggesting Sue that you have to do something like that by which Johnsy again feel that she have to live. So now Sue tried her best. She tried different ideas like provide fruits to Johnsy, take care of her, even draw some new pictures for her, but no improvement in the condition of Johnsy. So Sue tried her best to get rid of that foolish idea from the Johnsy's mind, but all in vain. Now, when only one leaf left on that ivy, now Johnsy felt that when that last leaf fell, she also died. When Johnsy was asleep at night, now Sue always thinking to help Johnsy. Then Sue had a plan in her mind. She went to Berman, the old artist. She went to him and discussed everything with Berman. It was raining hard that night and the last ivy leaf fell during that night. Now, Berman was an old artist but really a wonderful artist. Berman painted a leaf in green color, which looked exactly like that real one. Now, the next morning, when Johnsy awake, she looked at that ivy and there was still the last leaf. So, that leaf didn't fall even next 2 days and 2 nights. This brings a new hope in the mind of Johnsy. Her condition began to improve. Now she again started feeling that If that last leaf is not falling, that means she is not going to die. So the condition of Chauncey start improving. She was completely out of danger now. She told that now she even want to live. After getting this, Sue want to explain Chauncey everything. Then Sue told her that the last leaf was not real. It was made by Burman. She also told her that Burman worked in rain during the night and also caught by pneumonia. Burman was really a great artist. He died because of pneumonia. Because he is old person, old man, so it's really hard for him to survive because of pneumonia. So he died. But he saved life of Chauncey. So this is a masterpiece of Burman. Actually, Burman always had a desire throughout his life that once in his whole life he can draw a masterpiece. So this is his masterpiece. So before death, Burman drew a masterpiece. We call it real masterpiece. Why? Because it saves life of Chauncey. So through whole this chapter we came to know that every person have some desires, and to complete or achieve that desire, a person had to work hard. Person can go beyond his limits to achieve that thing, and that proves by Burman. And the other thing which we get to know about teenagers, that the teenagers are really different from the other persons or the mature persons. Why? Because they have negative and positive thoughts. Here in the case of Chauncey, she had a thought about ivy creeper that she died when the last leaf fell. So be aware from that negative thoughts. Always think positively. Always work on positive things to become successful in the life. Hopefully you understand this chapter. Try to solve the question answers given in your book. Hopefully you are able to understand the questions. If you have any query, anything you want to know, you can contact me. So take care and solve the questions. Thank you.